Hello and welcome to the daily number workout. Today is the number 29 for third grade. So let's see how you did with your work this morning. So we're talking word form first. So writing 20, TWENTY, 29 is our number today. And because it ends with a 9 in the ones place, we know it's an odd number. And let's go on to factors. Factors are numbers that multiply to get 29. So we know 1 times 29 works. And that would look like this. 1 times 29 equals 29. 2 doesn't go in because it's odd. 3 doesn't go in because 3 times 9 is 27 and 3 times 10 is 30. 3 tens is 30. 4 doesn't go in because it's odd. 5 doesn't go in because it needs to end with a 0 or a 5. 6 doesn't go in evenly because 6 goes into 24 and then 30. 7 doesn't go in because 7 goes into 28. And so 7 more would not be 29. 8 doesn't go in. 9 doesn't go in evenly because if we add 2 plus 9, it equals 11. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. So that wouldn't equal, that is our little trick to figure out if 9 goes in. 10 doesn't go in evenly. 13 doesn't go, 11 doesn't go in evenly. That would be 22, 2 11s. 2 12s would be, 2 doesn't go into anything. So because it's odd, 2 12s would be 24, 2 13s would be 26, 2 14s would be 28, and so on. So guess what? The only factors of 29, the only way you can multiply to get 29 is 1 times 29. So guess what? It is prime. All right, we're ready for addition. So we're going to take our paper up. I'm going to move mine up so you can see better. Boom. We're going into addition. So let's start off with 29 plus 1 equals 30. 29 plus 2 equals 31. 29 plus 3 equals 32. 29 plus 4 equals 33. 29 plus 5 equals 34. 29 plus 6 equals 35. 29 plus 7 equals 36. 29 plus 8 equals 37. And remember, if you get anything incorrect, no erasing. We just exit out and write the answer next to it. So make sure you're honoring you. 29 plus 9 equals 38. 29 plus 10 equals 39. So here we have it. Each time we're just adding one more, but we're getting familiar with those numbers and how they work together. And now we're moving on to subtraction, which is addition backwards. We're going to start with that 39 at the top. 39 minus 29, that's our number of the day, equals 10. 38 minus 29 equals 9. 37 minus 29 equals 8. 36 minus 29 equals 7. 35 minus 29 equals 6. 34 minus 29 equals 5. 33 minus 29 equals 4. 32 minus 29 equals 3. 31 minus 29 equals 2. And 30 minus 29 equals 1. So there we have subtraction. It is addition backwards. We can check our number family, our addition or subtraction family with its counterpart to see if we got the right answer. So like 36 here, we can check with that 36, and we know 29 and 7, 29 and 7, 36 equals 36, or if we're starting with 36 and subtracting one or the other, we get the other. All right, let's go with multiplication. 29 times 1 equals 29. Any number times 1 equals itself. It's just saying we want 129. And then let's stack these. And if you did not stack them to get your answers, stack them now and follow along with me. If you did not do the multiplication part, because that's the harder part right now, you'll do it along with me, which will work out great. 2 times 9 is 18. Drop the 8, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus the 1 is 5. So 2 29s equal 58. 29 times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. Drop the 7, carry the 2. 9 times 2 is 6. I'm sorry, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. So 3 29s added together would be 87. 29 times 4. 4 times 9 is 36. Drop the 6, carry the 3. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. 29 times 5. 5 times 9 is 45. Drop the 5, carry the 4. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14. A little bit of patterns there. 29 times 6. 6 times 9 is 54. Drop the 4, carry the 5. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 5 is 17, 174. 29 times 7. 7 times 9 is 63. Drop the 3, carry the 6. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. So 7 29s is 203. 29 times 8. 8 times 9 is 72. Drop the 2, carry the 7. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 7 is 23. So 8 29s, if we added 29 plus 29 plus 29 plus 29 on 8 times, we'd get 232. Let's go on to 9 times 29. 9 times 9 is 81. Drop the 1, add the 8. 9 times 2 is 18, plus 8 is 26. And remember, since we're dealing with 9 here, 1 plus 6 plus 2 is 9. So we got them right. Then we have 29 times 10 equals 39. Oops, sorry, I'm sorry. Shh, silly me, I'm out of control. 29 with a 0. 290. Onward and upward. And remember, we are in a no erase zone. All right, we're going to our linear measurement of inches, feet, and yards. So let's move this up a little bit. I'm going to move my words up, but you wrote yours down, inches, feet, and yards. Let's go with 29 inches, which is lowercase I, lowercase n, 29 inches. And that equals, we know it takes 12 inches to make a foot. So we're going to put everything over 12. We have 29 inches. So now this is going to break apart into 12 plus 12 plus 5, because 12 plus 12 is 24, plus 5 is 29. And that's what we're trying to add up to, the 29. We're breaking it apart in feet. So 12 inches out of 12 would be a whole foot and another whole foot. So we have equal signs again, 1 2 whole feet and 5 twelfths. And that's lowercase f, lowercase t. All right, so we know 29 inches is the same as 2 feet and 5/12 of a foot, 2 and 5/12 of a foot. And then we have how much of a yard? We have 29/36 of a yard. So we don't quite have a full yard yet. We'll be talking about that soon, I'm sure. All right, our metric form of linear measurement is centimeters, decimeters, and meters. So again, we're using our number of the day, 29 centimeters, lowercase c, lowercase m, equals, and we know it takes 10 centimeters to make a decimeter. So we're going to put these over, put the 29 as the numerator, 10 as the decimeter, or as the denominator. I'm getting all mixed up here. Numerator, denominator. This is an improper fraction, so we got to break it down into 10 over 10 plus 10 over 10 plus 9 over 10. So we have 1, 2 whole decimeters and 9/10. 2 and 9/10 decimeters. And moving on to meters, we have 29 out of 100. So that would be 29 hundredths of a meter. And there we have it. We're done with our number workout for today, number 29. Have a great day. See you for number 30.